Okay, so white t-shirt design like this is perfect for trim free, which is a laser transfer process, and that product is available from Express in the UK. If you want to check out where to get that stuff and tricks and tips for that, then check the book out. That's available from www.oneshirtaway.com. Okay, and that's £37. So if you just want to have a quick look here, this logo, what I'm going to do is going to show you how to set this up for trim free and for DTG. So this one itself isn't hasn't got any distressed filters over the top, so this would be absolutely fine. Just to take that Control C, copy, open a new document. Let's turn the sheet round, which is the right way that the A4 paper or transfer paper is going to be going through the printer. And I'm going to paste that down, Control V, and we're going to group it, and I'm going to resize that to bring that onto the sheet. So one sheet from this is going to do you for your laser transfer, which is going to make the job very cost effective to produce. So a little trick when you're using something like a trim free transfer is to first off, actually I've got a little bit of an issue there with the artwork. Let me sort that out while I'm talking. Let me ungroup that. First off, to make sure that you heat press the t-shirt for long enough, and then afterwards make sure that you reseal the t-shirt for 30 seconds. Okay, so with trim free from from Express, what you do is you press it 160 degrees for 30 seconds, you wait 7 seconds and release the transfer, and then you put greaseproof paper over the top, and then you reseal it for 30 seconds, and that ensures that the print is not going to wash off. If you don't do that, don't follow that process, the print will go really quickly. As soon as you start to wash it, you're going to lose it. Okay, so that's fixed that. So what we would do in this particular case is we go File, Export, and we'd export this as a PNG file. So let's reverse block T. There you go, that's all it's going to print, with a transparent background selected. And I'm going to also with this t-shirt as well, let's get rid of these lines. So I don't want these lines which are just using to make sure we get the scaling right. So I've got these are actually locked at the moment, so I'm going to grab both of those, Control C, new document, Control V, didn't grab the other one, bring it across, Control V. We don't need the rear shot actually of this girl, so we're just going to take our artwork here, Control C, and we're going to paste this down, and you can export this then as your image for your advert. Say, oh, you know, great new t-shirt available from amazingtshirtdesigns.com. That's cool. There's a little bit, wants a little bit of fill in there, but for the purposes of this video it's fine. So let's go File, export that as a JPEG or a PNG file, layout, surf, shirt, surf, shirt, done. Okay, that's cool. So you've got your artwork for your advert, and now you've also got your artwork ready for your t-shirt print. And also we might well want to put this through direct to garment machine, so I'm just going to export this as a JPEG as well. So surf shirt, reverse block, and let's change that to JPEG. So I've got all the files I need. And okay, so here is Garment Creator, which drives your Epson Shore Color 2000. And this one here is, I've got a t-shirt selected at the moment, which is a white t-shirt. So the easiest way to bring across the file is to drag your reverse block image, JPEG, PNG, whatever, and just drop it onto the shirt, and that's going to import that. Next thing will be to position and size. So let's just say we want that front center. I'm going to put that about there. Speed or quality? Quality always for me. And I would recommend pre-treating a light color t-shirt every day of the week, because you're just going to get a lot more vibrancy in that t-shirt print. It's going to be a lot sharper, a lot cleaner. We will go File, export the job to a computer, and then select the USB stick. Put that USB stick in the DTG machine, take the t-shirt, pre-treat it with a image armor light t-shirt pre-treatment, whack it through the t-shirt machine, job done. That's going to look great.